Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we help you find the right products that make your life easier. Today, we're taking a close look at the Miele Classic C1 Pure Suction Bagged Canister Vacuum in Graphite Grey. This German-engineered beauty is designed with hard floors and low-pile carpeting in mind. So if your home fits this description, this could be a great option for you. But does it live up to the expectations? Let's find out. The Miele Classic C1 Pure Suction is a bagged canister vacuum that promises to give your floors a deep clean with its strong suction power. It's equipped with 6 suction settings, allowing you to adjust the power depending on the type of surface you're cleaning. So whether you're dealing with hardwood floors or a soft rug, this vacuum is adaptable, making it a solid option for varied flooring types. The combination of its AirClean filtration system and compact design makes it particularly suitable for homes with allergy sufferers, as it claims to leave the room air cleaner than before you started vacuuming. That's thanks to the multi-layer filtration system. The Miele filter bag, motor protection filter, and AirClean exhaust filter all work together to trap fine dust and allergens. One of the most impressive features is its maneuverability. This vacuum is light and easy to carry, making it perfect for navigating around and under furniture. If you've ever struggled with heavy, bulky vacuums, you'll appreciate the ease with which you can move this one around your home. Plus, it comes with a set of handy attachments: the SBD 365-3 combination floor head, a dusting brush, crevice tool, and an upholstery tool. These accessories make cleaning upholstery, tight corners, and even your car's interior effortless. And if you're someone who likes to keep everything in its place, the attachments clip right onto the vacuum, which is convenient for quick access when you need them. Now let's talk about how it performs in real-world situations. During testing, we found that the Miele Classic C1 Pure Suction does a solid job picking up fine dust and debris from hard floors without leaving streaks behind. On low-pile carpets, it performs quite well, lifting dust and dirt with ease. However, it may struggle a bit with deeper carpet fibers, especially with thicker rugs. But with the 6 different power settings, you can always adjust it for the best results. The noise level on this vacuum is fairly standard. It's not overly loud, but it's definitely noticeable. If you're sensitive to noise or prefer a quieter cleaning experience, it's worth keeping in mind. When it comes to maneuverability, this vacuum shines. It's lightweight and glides smoothly, making it a breeze to push across most floors. The compact design is a nice touch too. It's easy to store in smaller spaces when not in use. One of the biggest selling points of this Miele vacuum is the filtration system. If you have allergies or asthma, you'll appreciate how it traps dust and allergens in its sealed system. The filter bag holds 4.8 quarts of debris, which is more than enough for a few cleaning sessions before needing to empty it. But it's a bagged vacuum, so you'll need to replace the bags over time, which is something to consider in terms of ongoing maintenance costs. Fortunately, the bag is designed to be easy to replace, so it's not a major hassle. There are a few downsides to mention. While it excels in maneuverability, it might not be the best fit for thicker carpets. The suction power is adjustable, but in high power mode, the motor does seem to lose a bit of suction when you switch between settings, especially on plush carpets. The cord length is decent, but it could be a bit longer for larger rooms, as you might need to plug and unplug when moving between areas. In terms of value for money, the Miele Classic C1 Pure Suction is priced in the higher range for canister vacuums, but it offers solid performance and high-quality build. The vacuum excels on hard floors and low-pile carpeting, and if you have allergies, the filtration system is a big plus. The included accessories also make it a versatile cleaning tool for various surfaces. On the flip side, if you have a lot of high-pile carpet or need a vacuum with longer reach, there are other models to consider. When comparing the Miele Classic C1 Pure Suction to other vacuums in the same category, a few options stand out. The Dyson Ball Multi-Floor 2, for example, offers similar suction power but comes with a more versatile design that's better suited for deeper carpets. However, the Miele wins when it comes to filtration and allergy friendliness. Another alternative is the Shark Navigator Lift Away, which is a bit more affordable but still offers strong suction and maneuverability. though it lacks the advanced filtration system of the Miele. As for build quality, the Miele Classic C1 is built to last. The materials feel premium, and the construction is solid. The hose, brush roll, and wand are all durable, with smooth connections that don't feel flimsy. It's also relatively easy to maintain, with a filter that can be cleaned and the dust bag easily replaced. Long-term reliability seems good, especially considering Miele's reputation for quality appliances. While there's no specific long-term data on this particular model, the brand's legacy suggests this vacuum should hold up well with regular use. Customer support is a strong point for Miele, known for its efficient service and warranty handling. If you run into any issues, you can expect good support, and the company is known for standing behind its products. However, if there's no need to contact them, the vacuum should operate just fine without issue. In conclusion, the Miele Classic C1 Pure Suction Bagged Canister Vacuum is a solid option for those with mostly hard floors or low-pile carpeting. Its strong suction, filtration, and maneuverability make it a reliable choice for smaller homes or allergy sufferers. However, if you have thicker carpets or need a vacuum with longer reach or stronger suction for deeper cleaning, you may want to consider other models. For the price, it's a good investment for people looking for an effective, high-quality vacuum for hard floors and light carpet use. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in the Miele Classic C1, you can find the link in the comments box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our reviews. Drop a comment if you already own this vacuum or if you have any questions. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Goodbye till next time, and remember, there's always a cleaner way to do things with Reviews Inside TV.